Hello guys, this is Queensy from Blazing Dance Crew for Fair Play Academy. Let's start with a little choreo. Here we go. Let's go again. We're going to start with the left one. You're going to open the left, close the right, open the right, close the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and 1, 2, then 3, 4. You're going to open it again. Open, then open again the right one. Cross the left arms. You're going to close the left one and close your arms from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 5, and 6, and yes, you're going to just push your arms like this. Arms are there. You're going to push the arms like this and just wind 2 times with your hips. Wind, wind. Here we go again from the top. So open and cross and wow, wow. Yes? Sure? Okay, next step. You just here, you're gonna just do your arms go down and your body go back. So you're just gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here, you have 4 times, so take your time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then move them up. Open, close, open, close, and 2 times. Yes? From here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Open and. Yes? Sure. Next step. You're just gonna jump. Yes? Gazaman crazy. You're just gonna jump and up, down with the right arm, sorry. Up, down with the right arm. With your hips, you're gonna do and. Yes? So you jump and you start with the right arm up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes? Remember, you were there. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you're gonna go again with the gangeli. Open and right, left, right, and. Yes? So you here, you just did the Gatherman crazy, then and bam, 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 down, down, down. Yes? From here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then 5, 6 and 7, 8, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next one, easy, really easy. We're gonna do the back to basic. It's just you go, your right one, just put on the floor. And you just, with your arms. So, 1, 2, then you're gonna do the blase with the left one. And the arms on the right. Boom, and, yes, so 1, 2, 3, and you go back with your left one. And, yes, here we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and. Da-da-dam, boom, and step with the right. And then you're just gonna go straight on the front and just down, up, down, up. Yes, here we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and down, up, down, up. Don't worry, you can stomp the floor. This is what I want. Stomp, and, yes? Okay, so let's try the first part without music. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 8, 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, the first part is finished. Let's try right now with the music.
Lyrical Batman from London. Them no want me pop off like Van Damme. Bad like the man, them over Compton. We make Babylon a show, rapper bam bam. Kick over Hong in a the grandstand. We make it up like a bomb. Where Saddam from Jamaica. Them no say I just a man from. Free up, put to one time. No say we man.
Okay guys, right now let's do the second part. So you just finished here. Remember, you're gonna jump, kick, and jump. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Kick with the right and jump. Yes? When you finish here, your arm's gonna do right, left, right, left, right, left. Yes? Because the music gonna do bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. So you're gonna do and bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Yes? So your arms, it looks like you do some fitness. Yes? With your hips, you go out. Bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Yes? Bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Here we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. When you're here, you're going to open the right leg. Close your arms. Open it again. Close your arms and open it. It's on the same rhythm. Bam, bam, ba, bam, bam. Yes? So you kick. Bam, bam, ba, bam, bam. Bam, 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 ba, bam, bam. Yes? When you finish here, you're just going to go with your right shoulder, just like under, down and under. Yes? And just do, pass it on. Bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Let's do it again. And bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 ba, bam, bam. And bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Pass it on. Left, right, left, left. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 ba, bam, bam. Shoulder, bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. Yes? When you just finish here, you're going to turn on your left side and continue with your right arm. Yes? You're going to go down and turn. 1, 2, 3, and. Yes? So, we just finished. Here, bam, bam, ba, bam, bam. Shoulder, bam, bam, ba, bam, bam, bam. And turn, 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 and. Yes? Next step is really easy. It's just fun. Don't try to be too much straight. Let's do it. So you're just going to cross open. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Cross open. You're going to open your arms the way you want and just do the bogle. Really easy. Arms are really free and in the air. Yes? And your hips just go. Boom. Boom. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And 1. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Bum, bum. Water, bum. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And 1. Water, bum. Yes? Bogle step. Then when you finish, you're gonna close your right leg and do 2 butterflies. Close and butterflies. 1, butterfly, 2. Yes? Take your time with that kind of steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and boom. Ta 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 ta, wata bang, bang, one bang bilang, and yes, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Don't worry, you can go down, even if it hurts legs. Then, when you finish here, you're gonna go up, yes, and do the scandal step. It's easy. With your right leg, you're just gonna do 1, 2. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Then you're gonna close the left one and open it, come back, open it, step. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. You will see that with this step you have chest too. Chest, follow the foot. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Yes? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bam, bam. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 8. Yes? Guys, it's just finished, okay? Let's do it again without music from the second part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and bam, bam, ba, bam, 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 ba, bam, bam. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom, ta, ta. And 1, 2, 3, 4, then butterflies, and scandal, and scandal, and. Yes, guys, it's finished. So let's go right now, do the both party. Part 1 and part 2. Here we go.
Them know say I just a man from free up to one time. Know say we bad, 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 bad. Them know say we bad, 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 bad. Man, bad. Chawata, bam, bad. Chabam, bam, bilang. Them know say we bad. Chami chawata, bam, bad. Ambition, ambition.
Okay, guys, so let's give you some advice. First, remember that you have to be in the floor, in, always. You cannot do straight. You have to be in the floor every time. Yes? Second part, remember, don't put too much energy. Try to be always smooth, yes, and loose, okay? For butterflies, look, your hips go in when you close your leg, out when you open it, yes? So do it like really cool. And your arms, you can do whatever you want with this, yes? Remember, okay? The part with the shoulder, remember, when you finish, it's just here, just try to end, yes? It's just to keep the next step. Cool, yes? This is it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lesson for Fair Play Academy. Bye-bye.